So guys, I'm back. So now I'm removing the driver's side head, and I gotta tell you guys, for you guys to do this job, you need to remove the exhaust on the downpipe on the driver's side. You need to remove it because you won't be able to remove this bolt. There's a bolt right here underneath of the turbo nuts. There's 3 bolts in the total, so you need to remove it so you can be able to disconnect the heads. Like you see now, the heads is moving freely because I couldn't before, because I had this bolt that I'm removing right now. Maybe you can see it. Yeah, this one. So you need to remove it, and this head will be able to be out. Coming back, like, subscribe. So now the head is free. The head is free. You can see here, it's not touching the turbo no more. So you can see here, I'm gonna have to put this back here. Definitely I'll be using this again, and I can see here that I don't think the bolt is touching, but at least the head is free, and you check around everything so you can be able to remove it. Make sure it's not touching anything. Be able to remove everything that you see that it could be holding it, and you remove it. Alright guys, so like and subscribe. You need to remove this bolt here. It's a sensor, believe so. So you need to remove this. It's the last one in the back. It popped out. This one here. It was over here. So to remember to put it back where it was. Don't forget to remove this hose right here in the back. That's what was holding it for me. Okay, so I removed it. So there's on both sides, this side and this side. Don't forget to reinstall it. It's a coolant line. Alright, so I got the second one off. Okay, so you guys can see, like I said, it's possible to remove it from the car. So you can see it here. Alright, so you can see right here, this was the, put it, this was this bolt that I was telling you guys that was hard. This one is going to be very hard to remove, so just follow it the way that I showed you guys. If you follow it exactly this way, you'll be able to remove it. No big deal. So now you can see the head on the driver's side. We removed the passenger side. The passenger side, we saw there was one valve that was broken. So we're gonna go put it on the table and check for the cleaning and reassemble. Like and subscribe, guys. Style Auto 100. So I want to remove this plastic belt. My question is, should I leave it this way or replace it, since you gotta go all the way down, connected to the pump? Is it something that you can do without removing the oil pan? And this side of the this is the driver's side of the cylinder head. I left it this way because I know that we got to remove the complete set over here. So my question was, should I just leave it this way and do one side, or there's an easier, best way to remove the pump without, basically I want to know, can I do this job without removing the oil pan? I think it will be much easier. Or this belt is okay, we can leave it this way. That's my question. here and it's moving. This one too. I'm gonna align it here. Very important. Now you can finally remove the second timing chain. Okay, so this is my setup. When I reinstall, I make sure I align it on this one, and this is the old one, and I gotta install this first. The timing chain on the driver's side gotta be installed first. After that, we go to the oil pump. We're gonna try to align it with the new belt. There's the bolt here that goes here. That was the cover. All this stays like that together, and let's go underneath.